Buckle up, guys, because things are getting very juicy and interesting with the Web3 gaming play to end and on the Ton blockchain. Bloom is one of the interesting and most promising play to end at the moment. And remember, Bloom dish out a whopping sum of $30 million to the dogs team as a reward. And this is very important. So in this video, let's explore the world of Bloom, the airdrop, very important updates, and many more that you need to know. Now, if you are hearing Bloom for the very first time and you don't or you're not doing this airdrop, I will leave a link in the description. It will be the first link. Check it out and join right now and start mining without wasting time. If you are new here, my name is Paradise. On this channel, I discuss everything about crypto, day trading and investing strategy to keep you profitable. Please support this channel by leaving a like for this video, subscribe right now, and turn on the bell notification for more crypto videos like this one. Also check the channel for all that amazing content. Do you remember the dogs airdrop? I believe you should. Bloom was behind that very airdrop. Bloom now have a growing community of over 60 million users, 22 million plus subscribers on Telegram at the moment, and over 20 million persons have connected their Ton wallet, and things are getting very, very sweet and amazing. Now, here are some important updates that you need to pay attention to on Bloom right now. Bloom gave out $30 million to those who minted dogs and completed tasks. This is a woven sum, guys, and if they can throw out this kind of cash for a side project, just imagine what they can do for their own project. So it means that they have something bigger in store for their own project. Just imagine their own main event and things are going to be very, very massive. You may be just wondering whether is it just another crypto hype or airdrop hype. No, it is not, guys. Bloom is a real deal at the moment, and I have enormous research to prove it right now. Now, if you get to X right at the moment as I'm talking to you and get to the Bloom account, you will see that gigantic B sign with insane alert that belongs to the Bloom airdrop. Big players like Binance are paying attention to this, and it means that us as traders as well and investors, we need to pay attention to Bloom as well. We should not pay deaf ears to this very airdrop. And I believe personally it's going to be very massive, just like we see in the case of Notcoin and dogs. Bloom is actually working daily for you to get those Bloom points, and more updates coming up right now. Get to the end section in your tapping app. You will see those little tags, complete them for more points and get more friends by going to the friends section and invite them. And things are wrapping up right now. This is the best time for you to start mining if you are not mining Bloom at the moment, else you will regret later in the future. Another thing I want to talk about right here is the tribe. Join the tribe option because this is very, very important. Those your tickets to community earnings. This is a teamwork. Everybody contributes in a tribe, and the reward are distributed across the people and the members. This is very important, and it is amazing because when you go to a community where they have teamwork, it means that you're not the only one doing the work. It means that others are doing the work and people get the reward together based on the capacity and the inputs you put in that very tribe. So join the tribe right now and get set for something amazing. Bloom also is putting together something amazing for you to earn those little points and pump your action all the way to the upside. And this is very important right now, and you don't need to dull on it. Don't wait till Bloom begin to announce listing date, then you begin to rush to Telegram and then do some tapping. You want to mine? No, the time is right now. Do it right now if you want to do this airdrop. And if you're not interested in the Bloom airdrop, there is no problem. But if you are interested, take it very, very seriously. They have a groundbreaking capacity to give that very reward if they can give 30 million whopping sum to the dogs airdrop. It does not stop there, guys. Have amazing educational videos on YouTube right now at the moment. I'm talking about the Bloom team. And if you go to YouTube, you see that their subscribers have over exceed 6.2 million with 119 videos. And these are educational crypto videos. And that is what Binance actually need, especially for the Binance lend to earn. If you pay attention to this very airdrop very well, you will discover that Binance is closely watching and monitoring this very airdrop. And like I said earlier, if Binance is watching this and monitoring this very airdrop, then you should as well. Blum is something that you need to put on your radar. Every part counts at the moment. Blum is growing and making waves. Stay for more updates. Don't miss out on anything whatsoever. Take it very seriously. Stay engaged. And for those of you still holding dogs like myself, this is a very important update right here. If you pay attention to this very chart, what we are seeing right now is a dull momentum all the way to the downside from the bears. Market move all the way from here to the downside to this very point. This is the final price point that we saw at 0.000923. And the market begin to move upward, come back down a little bit, could not create a new low. Right now, things are getting to be very, very sweet. So if you are holding dogs like myself, pay attention. Look at this very area of important resistance. This very point of resistance is where I am expecting the market to break out. Then I will be very sure that the market is going to begin to pump all the way upward. So if you are holding dogs, hold it very tight, because the bull market is going to pump it and you're going to get insane gain all the way to the upside compared to those that sell at this very price of 0.0015 or below that. So from here, I am expecting that the market move upward from where it is right now to this very area and break out. Once I see that breakout, and once you see that breakout as well, know that market is going to begin to pump all the way upward, and that very pump is going to exceed this very level of 0.00155. This is what I am paying attention to right now on dogs. And if you look at the stochastic RSI indicator at this very point right now, we've seen a crossover between the orange line and the blue line, although not at the oversold condition, but below the 50% line at this very point. But this is something to watch as well, because if there's a crossover right here, it means that the one-day chart dogs USDT is already wrapping up things for that very aggressive move all the way upward. And this is very, very important right now. And let's go back to the one-day chart and see how this chart looks. If you look at it right here, it is called that the market has moved significantly downward. And using the Fibonacci retracement tool, you discover that the market have retraced significantly as well. From this very point all the way here, look at it, over 50% to 61% retracement. This very point, 50% retracement, and this very area, 0.618. This very point is one of the most important retracement zone when it comes to trading. And right now, market have shifted upward a little bit to this very point of 0.0010. What I am expecting that is from here, market should begin to move upward on dogs. If you are holding dogs, hold it, because the next pump is about to come in. The most important update in this video is that Blum is one of those airdrop you should not miss. Pay attention and keep mining. Things are wrapping up, guys. Please support this channel by leaving a like for this video right now. Subscribe and turn on the bell notification for more crypto videos like this one. Also check the channel for all that crypto content. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.